The Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan Set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes several useful sizes. These pans are like trusty sidekicks for cooking. They help you make delicious meals easily. The non-stick surface is fantastic, and food slides right off. Cleaning up is a breeze, so you spend less time scrubbing. If you love making pancakes, these pans are perfect. This Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan Set is built to last. The hard-anodized aluminum makes them strong and durable. They heat evenly, which means no hot spots. Your food will cook perfectly every time. The handles stay cool on the stovetop. This makes them safe and easy to use. You can find these pans with a quick online search. They are often on many best kitchen gadgets lists. Overall, the Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan is a reliable choice. It makes cooking simpler and more enjoyable. From frying eggs to sautéing vegetables, these pans can handle it all. They are a worthwhile investment for both new and experienced cooks. Forget about sticky situations. These pans are a dream to cook with. They truly elevate your everyday cooking experience. Pros: metal utensil safe, heats up quickly, even heat, dishwasher safe, oven safe, lasts longer. Good quality, easy to clean. Cons: handles on lids can get hot. Lids may trap water after washing. Some find them heavy. Quality may have declined. Non-stick not always perfect, can warp with high heat, lighter than older versions, may not be truly metal safe. Some report scratches easily, uneven heating possible. Features: hard anodized, non-stick coating, metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe to 450 degrees F. Stay cool handles, durable, long-lasting, effortless food release, easy to clean, versatile for cooking. This Calphalon Premier Frying Pan Set has a strong non-stick surface, so food does not stick and it's easy to clean. You can even use metal tools on it. These pans can go in the dishwasher and in the oven up to 450 degrees. The handles stay cool when you are cooking. They are made to last a long time and are good for cooking many different kinds of food. This Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan Set is designed to heat up quickly and evenly, offering good quality and lasting longer. Plus, it's easy to clean and safe for dishwashers and ovens. While advertised as metal utensil safe, some users have found they can scratch easily, and the non-stick performance isn't always perfect. Additionally, the handles on the lids can get hot. The lids might trap water after washing, and some people find the pans heavy, noting that the quality may have decreased compared to older versions and that they might warp with high heat. Despite being lighter than older models, uneven heating has also been reported by some users.